Hello everyone, my name is Rysfix and welcome to my channel. And in this video I will show you how to replace the coolant reservoir of this KTM RC 390. So as you guys can see, this is my bike's coolant reservoir in which we top up the coolant. Now my coolant reservoir is broken, as you guys can see that, and if the coolant gets too hot, then sometimes it starts to fall out. That is the reason why it becomes very important to replace this coolant reservoir. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. Now to replace this reservoir, you will have to take out both of the side panels, but you can even do it without taking out the panels if your hands are a little bit smaller and if they reach inside the gap easily. Now how to take out both side panels, I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screen so you can later go there and watch that video as well and take out both your panels. So before you replace the coolant reservoir, you will have to empty that reservoir. Now I have not ridden this bike for many years now, so it is in a very bad state. Inside of my coolant reservoir there is no coolant left. So let's open the radiator and check if there is any coolant left inside of the radiator. Now as you guys can see, inside my radiator there is coolant left, which is a good thing. So before I start to use this bike, I will flush this coolant, but I will make a separate video on that. So there are many KTM videos that will come on this channel in the future. So if you guys have a KTM, then see that you subscribe now. And see that you hit that bell icon so that you will get notification of my latest videos and you will not miss any of my videos then. Now the fuel tank of this KTM RC 390 was rusted entirely from inside. That video also I will upload on this channel. So here I have taken out the battery. Now inside of the battery compartment there are 3 bolts here and there will be 2 nuts that holds the fuel tank. So these 3 bolts and the 2 nuts, if you take out completely, this compartment you can raise and look underneath where the coolant reservoir is there. Now it becomes important to lift this because you get the top view of the coolant reservoir if it is going inside properly. So once you are done opening the bike, you will have to take a 10 mm spanner, and just below the coolant reservoir you will notice that there is a bolt there. Take this bolt out completely. Once you take this bolt out completely, you will have to come on the other side of the bike, and when you come on this side you will see that the pipe coming from the coolant reservoir is connected to the radiator. On top of that there will be a metal ring lock. So take a plier and slide that ring lock on top, and once you push it on top, you will have to disconnect this rubber pipe from the radiator like this. So push it with the plier and disconnect it. Now if your coolant reservoir has coolant inside of it, then you will have to be extremely careful here. You should not allow the coolant to drop here on any of the parts. You will have to pinch the rubber pipe very tightly so that the coolant will not come out from here. And if there are chances that the coolant will come out, then see that you keep a separate container here so that you can empty that coolant in that container. So here I have taken a container and then I have released the pipe completely. Then I came to know that there is no coolant left inside of this reservoir. That is the reason why it became easy for me to replace it as well. So once you release that pipe, again you will have to come on the other side, and now you will have to pull out this coolant reservoir in a relaxing manner. So shake it a little bit, move it and slide it out from its position. Do it cautiously, guys, because while pulling, if you put too much force and suddenly if it comes out, then you can break the other part as well by banging somewhere else. So take it out in a relaxing manner. So here my coolant reservoir is now totally separated from the bike. As you guys can see, it was broken for a long time and it was there for many years on my bike, which is now finally going to get replaced. So this is my old coolant reservoir and this is my new coolant reservoir. So guys, this has cost me around 250 rupees. As you guys can see, this is the price of it. I have brought this from the original KTM service center. So this has cost me only 250 rupees. And it is exactly the same, guys, as you guys can see. So now I will put this on my bike. So let's go near the bike. Now to install the new one, it is very easy. In a relaxing way, you will have to push this coolant reservoir inside. Now from wherever you had taken out the old coolant reservoir, there you will have to push this back in. Put it in a relaxing manner. Don't make a haste, and see that you don't put pressure where the pipe is connected because that part can break very easily. You guys know that already. So hold the reservoir down here and push it inside and adjust it nicely. So here my coolant reservoir is gone inside, but it is not yet in the proper position. Now for this coolant reservoir there is an extension on the other side which should go inside of a hole. So here my coolant reservoir is now in position. I will go on the other side and I will show you guys. As you guys can see the top view, how this coolant reservoir has adjusted here. Now underneath this plastic, I will go on the other side and I will show you. As you guys can see, underneath this plastic, as you guys can see, there is a hole for the chassis. Inside this hole, the extension of your coolant reservoir should go, like how it is gone here. So once it goes inside properly, your coolant reservoir is now in position. Now you can connect the pipe which you had disconnected from here. So put the pipe inside properly, and once the pipe goes inside properly, the clip lock, you will have to slide it down now and put it in position. So my connection is done, guys. Now I will go on the other side, and from the other side, the bolt which I had taken out, it is holded by only one bolt, guys. You guys know that already. That bolt you will have to put back now. So take a 10 mm spanner and tighten this bolt. Now see that you don't over tighten this bolt, guys, because the reservoir is only plastic and can break easily. So see that you tighten it cautiously, because it will keep on tightening, guys. So see that you don't tighten it too much. So once you tighten this bolt, you are done replacing your coolant reservoir. Now you will notice that there is one more pipe in front of this coolant reservoir. This pipe you will have to connect on the side fairing, which will have another pipe which takes it down and let the coolant flow on the road. So it should go from that pipe and fall on the road and not on your bike. Otherwise your bike can get rusted. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysfix signing out. Until we meet again.